there, little brainiacs. Welcome to Kool Kreative Mingle. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our community.
Deep within the heart of the jungle, Tarzan swung between the towering trees, listening to the symphony of nature around him. His home had always been the lush forest, but today his instincts led him towards the ocean, a place he seldom visited. Arriving at the coastline, Tarzan gazed out at the infinite expanse of blue. The ocean churned and crashed against the shore, a powerful force of nature that beckoned him forward. Intrigued, he edged closer, the tangy scent of salt water mingling with the earthy aroma of the jungle. It wasn't long before he noticed a group of local villagers gathered near the beach. Their faces were tense, filled with worry. Tarzan approached them, curious to discover the source of their anxiety. "The Shark King," an elder explained, gesturing towards the sea. "He terrorizes our waters, making it impossible for us to fish and feed our families." Tarzan listened, his brow furrowed with concern. Determined to help, Tarzan spent the day observing the waters from the shore and learning about the Shark King's habits. He listened to local legends and watched the patterns of the ocean waves. By sunset, he had a plan. Under the moonlit sky, Tarzan swam into the ocean, further than any of the villagers had dared to go. The water was cool against his skin, and the rhythm of the waves guided him deeper. Suddenly, he felt the shift in the water, an ominous presence. The Shark King emerged, its massive form a silhouette against the glowing Lumo waves. Eyes sharp, it glided towards Tarzan with the intent of its kingly dominance. This was the moment Tarzan had prepared for. Using the agility and strength honed by years of living in the wild, he maneuvered gracefully, avoiding the Shark King's initial charge. His mind was focused, analyzing the predator's movements. Tarzan dove deeper, leading the shark away from the shores. The ocean around them calmed, its creatures still and watchful. The Shark King circled, its predatory instincts challenged. But Tarzan was not about to retreat. He gathered nearby pieces of coral, crafting a makeshift spear. As the Shark King lunged forward again, Tarzan struck precisely at its weak spot, an age-old tactic known to those who lived in harmony with nature. The Shark King recoiled, bewildered by Tarzan's unexpected prowess. Slowly, the great shark turned away, accepting the silent pact offered by the skilled jungle inhabitant. As dawn broke, Tarzan, emerging victorious, returned to the villagers, who welcomed him with gratitude and celebration. The ocean was calm once more, bearing witness to the harmony restored by Tarzan's bravery. In the days that followed, the villagers found that the Shark King had retreated to deeper waters, allowing their fishing to continue unthreatened. Tarzan had learned from this encounter too, understanding the respect and responsibility owed to nature's rulers. And so, Tarzan returned to his beloved jungle, forever the guardian of both land and sea, ever ready to embrace the challenges that nature unfolded.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our